Hey, come on, Charles. Come on, Charles.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait for the 6 below. Can you tell me how much money I'm below? $29. 29 more than below. Thank you.
Hey, Grace, you on the side? How about it, Grace? Are you looking for? Grace, you must be on 30. Seven off. Hey, Matthew, you Charles, first two position?
Yeah, Matt, good, Matt, good. Yeah, Charles, good. Alright, Jackie.
Seven off. Billy Myers. Yeah,
Yeah.
are you missing anything? A telephone?
Yeah, go on, get there,
Yeah, like, bro, dude, you get it right in there, bro.
If you want to put the elevator on 47, hell yeah, we're not doing it.
I'm heading into the office. I'll be coming back out.
Keep it at 7 off for me.
He did say we just going to take that extra one off top, and there's two that connected together. The ones on top, not the ones down under them, and then knock that third one down and put it back up.
Alright, so we're gonna have to separate them, to pull them off, lay them down, and then put them back up?
Yep. So there's an extra about 12 meters instead of 6.
And I love it.
Yeah, well, it ain't never as simple as they say it's gonna be, I'll tell you that much.
That's right, and man, you just got 2 trucks split off of that, just that 507 for a minute, and I got everything back to 603.
Yeah, everything's 603.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I just sent them over there to get that them two out of that all set.
Makes sense, bro, makes sense. I'm just making sure I'm keeping up with it.
Trying to figure out which way would be the best way to run these reapers. I guess the way they got it, to run that 514 and then stay in 614 and get all of them. And then there would be those last year in the middle of 514. I don't know.
Damn, Paul, I'm trying to make it as easier for the operator as I can, but you know, the way they show it gets aggravating.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to figure out where we ain't going to work behind ourselves, but the way they got it, we're gonna have to anyway, so I was trying to figure out how I can do it without having to do that. But if we do that, it'll be fucking rolling back and forth out there, and it'll take forever for them to get up here, so.
You know, digging up the only thing that happens anyway, bro. We'll make it fine.
That's right.
come on.
Man, you got to laying down. We're going to see Craig, partner. Yeah, I was going to 30. Yeah, Sean right there, yeah. Y'all be getting 29. We're going to be getting 28. And folks. Y'all gonna get that boom, or y'all gonna take my crane and share it there? Yeah, we gonna keep working. I'm about to go talk to him. We ain't sharing it there. And then I'm sharing it there. You go. Hey, Bay, 46 where Savannah 28 is, I'm guessing. Yeah, 10 off. Alright, come good to channel 1 I reckon I'd be like that. You going to 36, I think. 38. Hey, we're gonna keep loading for a minute until they get done moving. I just let it share there. I guess it's out here. 10 votes, 10 votes. When you write it down, we share it fucking too. Ridiculous. They don't know how to fight shit at all.
That's gonna be the wrap, Jenkins. I'm gonna be sitting at this bay all night. So I have no intention of boring you guys out. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace out. And that's gonna be
We appreciate
pretty
everybody
much
going to channel 1.